Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online so your financial records stay accurate and up to date. Start by clicking the new button at the top left of QuickBooks dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Expense. A form will open where you need to enter the payment details. Add the vendor or payee, select the correct date, and most importantly, choose the right payment account and payment method. For the payment account, pick your credit card from the list of accounts. For the method, confirm it was paid by credit card. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your transaction will now be recorded in QuickBooks and reflected in your reports. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. Keeping up with these entries will give you a clear picture of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!